We are going to get tested for COVID again. Off to get tested. Hello.
Have an appointment?
Yes, we do. Okay. We just got tested. Now I have to get out of here. Hi, this is another day. I have a different outfit on, but I was just editing my video and I realized that I completely missed the part where I kind of explain what I'm doing. So basically, I am doing trial and error with this new gloss that I bought. I covered it in stickers. These I messed up on, so I just like stuck them on here, but these are from GBC. I got them at Staples, and I'm going to be reviewing or trying them out on my stickers, and so I just wanted to intervene from the future and tell you guys what I'm going to do in this video. And I fail. I'm so bad at making videos, but I guess you just have to learn. I'm putting the tulle, like Home Depot blue tape, around the borderlines of the Cricut sheet, the sticker sheet, so that the Cricut will know where to cut. I think the border is like a guideline for the Cricut, and because I like covered it with like the gloss, it doesn't know like where it is, because after I printed it, it was like a little bit bumpy. I don't know if like the Cricut like relies on the bump or like if it scans like the borderline. I watched a video, and this woman who made the stickers, she put like the tape around the borderline, and so I'm gonna try that before I put it inside the machine. Another thing is, look at the color. It's so brown and bad. Like, I thought it was gonna be better, but obviously not, because I didn't do anything to the printer. But my friend went to Staples today and asked the person, and they said that the reason why the color is so dull is because I have a bootleg, like Korean bootleg way of getting ink inside my printer, and so I need the genuine ink cartridges in order for the color to be precise and clean. And so I don't think it's my printer at all, it's the ink, and I'm dumb, so good thing I don't have to buy a new printer. Okay, so it says I have to put it to custom, and then it'll change like this. There you go. Right here. And then done. The light is coming up. So here it goes. I hope it reads the lines. But Okay, so I'm going to test out. We just did the gloss from the Cricut, what it looks like and feels like when I take it off the sheet. And so I'll do this ugly one. It's supposed to be pink, but it's brown. I don't think it's waterproof. I just got done putting the sticker paper in water on my water bottle, and unfortunately it's not waterproof. So I think maybe if I do sell it like this, I'm gonna have to put like disclaimer, not waterproof, just use on paper or something like that. I'm gonna have to find another alternative for waterproof paper, but I'm still testing out different types of paper. My friend just linked me to sticker paper that she was using, and it's a little bit on the pricier side. The one that I bought, the gloss was about maybe like 50 sheets for 25 bucks, and the paper was about 100 sheets for 15 bucks, and so it's really not that bad at all. But the one that she has, it's a little bit better quality, and I don't have to have like the gloss because it's already a little bit, it's like matte but a little glossy. And hers is like 16 or 15 pages for like 20 bucks. I thought that was a little bit pricey, but if that works, I think I'm going to try to make that investment. But overall, I think I'm really happy with these. These look pretty good to me, like the other one that I made before. Okay, this one, the color looks a lot better, but the one that I made before looks like some child printed a piece of paper from her printer, which is exactly what kind of happened. But these, other than the color, of course, I think I would buy them at like some kind of like gift shop or like craft store. I mean, like, look at the gloss looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. The gloss looks pretty good to me, and so I think I made some progress today. I think I've had a pretty productive day. So today I got my coronavirus testing done, and then I found out that I don't need a new printer. It's not the printer's fault that the ink is like this. The Staples guy said that I just need better ink because I have a Korean bootleg ink thing going inside my printer, and so I think I'm going to have to buy some genuine cartridges for my printer, and we'll see where that takes me because this is crap. Look at the color. Look at that apple. That's a rotten apple. And look at that jam. That's like probably moldy jam. And so I'm going to buy the ink cartridges now. But I think I've had a pretty good day.